Purse seine fishing is a method of fishing that catches mainly skipjack tuna. Compared with other kinds of tuna such as yellowfin and bigeye, skipjack tuna produce more baby fish. This means at this current time skipjack tuna can be caught using the purse seine fishing method without causing the skipjack population to decline. Fish aggregation devices, or FADs, are used to attract fish at sea. FADs anchored near the island are good for local fishermen. They can catch more fish and use less fuel. These are good FADs. But FADs used by purse seine fishermen in the open ocean are unsustainable. This is because purse seine fishing on FADs will not only catch tuna, it will also catch sharks, whale sharks, turtles, young yellowfin tuna and young bigeye tuna. These are bad FADs. Bigeye tuna are in trouble. They are being overfished, and scientists have asked the fishing industry to reduce catch of bigeye tuna. Purse seine fishing on FADs must be banned to protect bigeye tuna and other species from overfishing. If purse seine fishing on FADs is not stopped, then purse seine fishing should be banned completely. Brought to you by the Epukaria Society.